Understanding the phrase, dieback, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, dieback. This is a term that you might come across in various contexts, especially when talking about plants and vegetation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what dieback means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started. Dieback refers to the condition where the tips of a plant's branches or roots begin to die and then proceed to affect the rest of the plant. This can be caused by a variety of factors including diseases, pests, environmental conditions, or poor maintenance. In essence, dieback describes a negative condition for plants, indicating that they are not in good health. There are several factors that can cause dieback in plants. Some of the most common include diseases. Fungal or bacterial infections can attack the plant, leading to dieback. Pests. Insects and other pests can damage the plant, causing its extremities to die. Environmental conditions. Poor soil, lack of water, or extreme weather conditions can stress the plant and lead to dieback. Poor maintenance. Lack of proper care, such as pruning or fertilizing, can also result in dieback. Understanding these causes is crucial, as it helps in preventing and treating dieback effectively. Now that we know what dieback means, let's see how it is used in sentences. 1. The gardener was worried when he noticed dieback in the rose bushes. 2. Dieback in trees can be a sign of serious underlying issues. 3. Proper care can prevent dieback and keep plants healthy. In these examples, dieback is used to describe a condition in plants, showing its negative impact and the importance of proper care. And that's a wrap on our lesson about dieback. Remember, this term is primarily used in the context of botany and horticulture, referring to a condition where parts of a plant start to die, which could potentially spread to the rest of the plant. Identifying the causes of dieback is crucial for treating and preventing it. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this term better. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.